considerable investment globally and now more recently in North America. CB Insights half-year mark indicated that globally we are on way to eclipsing last year's record raise of venture capital for the sector. So it's a sector that seems to be not going away, and I wouldn't even say it's plateauing. It's probably got some legs to it, and some of these people are going to give us a little bit of insight into that.
So I know, like, we always talk about millennials and the next generation after that and how connected they are, et cetera. But I'm actually seeing the convergence of those attitudes, because I think, you know, even the ones in the boomer, the Gen X, like, I mean, they're on their phones too, right? And they're connected. And so that's, you know, the usage of technology and the technology that's available to us and how connected we are going to change the way everyone wants to consume insurance, right? And I think one of the key pillars about how they want to consume it going forward is usage-based everything. Not necessarily for cars, but, you know, being able to get travel on demand, travel insurance on demand, or, you know, if I'm just, if I have Airbnb, you know, when it's occupied with someone else, then the commercial insurance kicks in. You know, renting cars like Turo, like, it's automatically insured. If I wanted to rent my own car out, it's on my. So all of this is on demand, beyond just, you know, telematics and the automotive and the collision and the claim side that Matteo was talking about. So I'm seeing that, and I'm seeing everybody's interested in that, not particularly, you know, between 35 or 45, or this is only for millennials, et cetera. I'm seeing it across the board, because, you know, there is no one in Canada without one of these smartphones, which is the most sophisticated sensors that everyone is carrying right now, right? You know, you care about your privacy, right? But at the same time, all those fanboys at Apple is waiting in line for the whole week in order to get the next iPhone. I'm sure that when the iPhone 8 comes out, there's going to be a week-long lineup to get the most successful, the most sophisticated sensor you carry that tracks everything you do, right? So.
David?
Taking a commercial perspective, I agree with Andrew that there's a convergence of segments, because those people, millennials, Generation X, whomever, that are using technology in a different way also own and run businesses. So they're bringing what they do in their personal life into their business at the same time that their customers making different demands of them. So to say, well, the transportation and logistics segment was seen as one that was going to embrace telematics, and it did, in order to impact its business. But the transportation and logistics segment is also expanding. Transportation and logistics companies becoming supply companies, becoming just-in-time, becoming sourcing, starting to offer a new range of services to their clients just so that they can stay in business.